Hello, welcome back to B Square YouTube channel. My name is Hamid Shahid and the course title is Electronics, Device and Circuits. Today, we will be discussing some common interview questions related to electronics devices and circuits. These questions cover a range of topics related to basic components, amplifiers, power supplies and digital circuits. Question number 1 is: what is a diode and how does it work? A diode is a two-terminal electronic component that allows current to flow in one direction. Question number 2 is: what is a transistor and how does it work? A transistor is a three-terminal electronic component that is used to amplify and switch electronic signal. Question number 3 is: what is the difference between an NPN and PNP transistor? An NPN transistor has a thin layer of p-type semiconductor material sandwiched between the two layers of n-type material, whereas a PNP transistor has a thin layer of n-type semiconductor sandwiched between two layers of p-type material. Question number 4 is: what is an operational amplifier and how does it work? An, an operational amplifier is a high-gain voltage amplifier that is used to amplify signals in electronic circuit. Question number 5 is: what is a capacitor and what is its role in electronic circuits? A capacitor is a two-terminal electronic component that stores electrical energy in an electric field. Question number 6 is: what is an inductor and what is its role in electronic circuits? An inductor is a two-terminal electronic component that stores electrical energy in a magnetic field. Question number 7 is: what is a resistor and how does it affect the behavior of a circuit? A resistor is a two-terminal electronic component that slow down the flow of electrical current. It affects the behavior of a circuit by limiting the current flow and controlling the voltage drop across it. Question number 8 is: what is a voltage regulator and how does it work? A voltage regulator is an electronic circuit that maintains a constant output voltage regardless of changes in the input voltage or load current. Question number 9 is: what is a flip-flop and what is its role in digital circuits? A flip-flop is a digital circuit that can store a single bit of information. Question number 10 is: what is a microcontroller and how is it different from a microprocessor? A microcontroller is a small computer on a single integrated circuit that is designed to control a specific function in an electronic system. It is different from a microprocessor in that it has built-in memory, input-output peripherals, and a clock circuit. Question number 11 is: what is a Schottky diode and how does it differ from a regular diode?
A Schottky diode is a type of diode that is constructed using a metal semiconductor junction instead of a PN junction, like a regular diode. Question number 12 is: what is a Zener diode and what is its purpose in electronic circuits? A Zener diode is a special type of diode that is designed to operate in the reverse breakdown region. Question number 13 is, can you explain the concept of impedance and its role in electronic circuits? Impedance is a measure of the opposition to the flow of alternating current in a circuit. Question number 14 is, what is a MOSFET and how does it differ from a BJT? A metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor is a type of transistor that is controlled by the voltage applied to its gate terminal. It differs from a BJT in that it is a voltage-controlled device, while a BJT is a current-controlled device. Question number 15 is, how do you calculate the power dissipation in a resistor?
The power dissipation in a resistor can be calculated using the formula P is equal to I raised to the power 2 multiply R, where P is the power in watts. Question number 16 is, what is a phase shift oscillator and how does it work? A phase shift oscillator is an electronic oscillator that uses a network of resistors and capacitors to produce a phase shift in the output signal. Question number 17 is, what is a Wien bridge oscillator and how does it work? A Wien bridge oscillator is an electronic oscillator that uses a Wien bridge network of resistors and capacitors to produce a sinusoidal output signal. Question number 18 is, how do you calculate the gain of an amplifier circuit? The gain of an amplifier circuit can be calculated using the formula gain. Gain is equal to output voltage divided by input voltage. Question number 19 is, what is a current source and how is it different from a voltage source? A current source is an electronic circuit that produces a constant current output regardless of changes in the load resistance. It is different from a voltage source, which produces a constant voltage output regardless of changes in the load resistance. Question number 20 is, what is a low pass filter and what is its purpose in electronic circuits? A low pass filter is an electronic circuit that allows low frequency signals to pass through while attenuating high frequency signals. Thank you for your attention.